Donald Trump wants Greenland, and now Greenland Prime Minister says that we don't want to become Americans. So what is the future of this? Will Greenland ever become the part of the America? Now why does America wants Greenland so bad? There are several reasons for this. The first one is that Greenland is full of natural resources. It is the largest island in the world and it is mostly covered with snow. So no one has mined it yet, and there could be very important natural resources buried under the ice. So the United States may wants to get Greenland for its natural resources, but there are other reasons as well. Now Greenland is very important to control the trade routes as well, and that is why United States has already military bases there. Now Russia and China mostly control those oceans which are near to Greenland, but United States wants to control those oceans and the trade routes. And if United States is able to get the control of those oceans and trade routes, United States will become more powerful. Now United States already has military bases in Greenland, and United States already has military bases in Greenland, and the Danish Prime Minister says that they may allow United States to build more military bases there, but this time United States don't want to build military bases here. They want the complete Greenland. But will it happen? I think yes, because Donald Trump Jr., the son of Donald Trump, has recently visited Greenland, and there could be some very important talks going on under the table, and we may see Greenland becoming the part of America. Now let's come back to the statement of the Greenland Prime Minister. He says that we don't want to become American and we don't want to become Danish either. The future of the Greenland will decide by the people of Greenland. Now, what does the people of the Greenland want? Will they become the part of America? I think they want to become the part of the America, because America is very important country and it is the most powerful country in the world, in being the 51st state of the most powerful country in the world and becoming an American. In that case, the Greenlanders will get more opportunities, and I think that is why they want to become the part of the United States, and I think they should become the part of the United States if the referendum happens. And if you ask me personally, I think that the Greenland will become the part of America in future.